We're exploring help. Can you help me with my homework? Help, someone call an ambulance. Could you help me carry these boxes? I need help understanding this legal document. The volunteer group plans to help flood victims. She always helps her neighbors with groceries. The new software helps businesses manage their finances efficiently. He offered to help, but his intentions seemed dubious. Her expertise in crisis management helped diffuse the tense situation. We're exploring emergency. Call 911 in case of an emergency. The emergency exit is located over there. Keep calm and follow the emergency procedures. The hospital staff are trained to handle any emergency. She packed a flashlight in her emergency kit. The pilot announced an emergency landing due to engine failure. During the emergency meeting, they discussed financial strategies. Their quick response mitigated the effects of the environmental emergency. The organization developed a comprehensive emergency preparedness plan. We're exploring police. Someone needs to call the police right now. The police officer helped me find my lost dog. She waved as the police car drove by. Police conducted an investigation into the robbery. After his complaint, the police arrived promptly. The police are working hard to reduce crime rates. He had an insightful conversation with the chief of police. Following the protest, police implemented crowd control measures swiftly. The effectiveness of community policing strategies was debated extensively. We're exploring fire. There's a fire in the kitchen. Firefighters arrived quickly to extinguish the blaze. During a fire, stay low to avoid smoke inhalation. The fire alarm went off at midnight. Wildfires can spread rapidly due to strong winds. Remember to check fire exits when in a new building. The historic district was devastated by the raging fire. Fire risks increase significantly during the dry summer months. Proper fire safety measures can prevent catastrophic damage. We're exploring ambulance. Call an ambulance immediately. She just fainted. The ambulance arrived within 5 minutes of the call. We watched as the ambulance rushed down the street. The paramedics in the ambulance were very calm and efficient. If you're ever in doubt, it's safer to call an ambulance. He followed the ambulance to the hospital to stay with his friend. The ambulance crew administered first aid while en route to the hospital. Despite the heavy traffic, the ambulance maneuvered expertly and arrived promptly. The blaring siren of the ambulance cut through the night silence. We're exploring danger. The sign warns about danger on the cliffs. Danger can arise from ignoring safety rules. We need to move away. There's danger here. Firefighters are trained to handle situations of great danger. The city's residents were unaware of the looming danger. Wild animals can pose a danger to tourists. The danger of climate change calls for immediate action. Ignoring expert advice elevates the danger of disaster. Persistent negligence in safety protocols increases environmental danger. We're exploring call 911 if you see a fire. Please call an ambulance immediately. He had to call the police after the break-in. We should call for backup before entering the building. Don't hesitate to call the emergency services. She quickly called for help when she witnessed the accident. Upon realizing the threat, they called in the bomb squad. The dispatcher will call rescue teams for natural disaster relief. Emergency protocols dictate you must call for immediate evacuation. We're exploring injury. She got an injury while playing soccer. He needs rest to recover from his injury. The injury was minor, so he continued working. After the car accident, she had a serious injury. The injury required immediate medical attention at the hospital. He sustained a leg injury during the hiking trip. Her injury was complex, involving both bone and muscle damage. Despite the injury, he successfully completed the marathon. The athlete's career was jeopardized by a recurring shoulder injury. We're exploring rescue. Firefighters worked hard to rescue the kitten. The lifeguard quickly rescued the struggling swimmer. A volunteer rescued the lost dog in the park. Rescue teams arrived promptly after the earthquake hit the city. The mountain climbers needed a helicopter rescue due to the snowstorm. Rescue missions were organized for the trapped miners. The organization coordinated a complex rescue operation in the war zone. Engineers designed innovative tools for underwater rescue missions. The political detainees were secretly rescued by a daring team of activists. We're exploring urgent. Please call me back, it's urgent. He left an urgent message on my phone. This meeting requires your urgent attention. The fire alarm signaled an urgent evacuation. The doctor said her condition was urgent. They were in an urgent rush to the hospital. The CEO demanded an urgent report on sales figures. Her email conveyed a sense of urgent necessity. Urgent matters must be prioritized over routine tasks.